Hello everybody, welcome back. We're back in Quatrzsite Arizona here at the BLM area, the Dome Rock BLM area. And that back up there is Dome Rock. We came down to an event called the Boondocker Bash. Come on, Bella. Bella's probably smelling out the coyotes that came through here this morning. About 5:30 this morning. They were just out here making all kind of noise here, not far from camp. And we're camped right in here. Group of friends down there hanging out. What are you smelling, girl? And bad coyotes were out this way. I've been missing in action here a little bit, I guess. I took a Thanksgiving break, and then I kind of extended my Thanksgiving break. I hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving holiday, but we're well beyond that now. I got to do something that I really always wanted to do, was have Thanksgiving at a restaurant, and we did that while we went back up to Parker. Up the casino, the Blue Water Casino, and they had a Thanksgiving buffet, and I was not disappointed at all. It was fantastic. For $14.95, they ham and pork and prime rib and of course turkey and shrimp and all the traditional side dishes and a bunch of other side dishes. Fantastic dessert table. I'd like to do that again. Anyway, we're beyond Thanksgiving now. This is the last day of the Boondocker Bash event. Just an informal, unofficial gathering, a bash. And the main camp's down there. It's really thinned out a lot. It's the last day, and we're camped back up over this way, kind of a little quieter up our way. But you know, we've walked down in the evening, and there's been karaoke night and dance party night and various activities. A lot of other things went on over there. I didn't follow the schedule very well, and I just kind of come to these events just to hang out with friends around the outskirts, and sometimes I'll go mingle a little bit here and there, and I'm good with that. So I'm thinking I might fly the drone here a little bit, and we'll fly it towards Dome Rock. I don't think the drone goes high enough to actually fly over it. It's the drone only goes 400 feet high. It's limited to that for legal and safety reasons, and I think Dome Rock might be a little higher than that. And we'll fly it down over the main camp. Okay, we're gonna fly out of camp here, going backwards to the south, and we're gonna turn to the west here towards towards Dome Rock. There's Dome Rock, straight ahead. All kind of trails through here, go out through the hills. But we'll turn back towards the event, the Boondocker Bash, or Boondocking Bash. There's the main camp, and the white tents are the main gathering area, main camp. That's where all the food events and karaoke and the dance parties, all that goes on at. But this is nice to come out here and camp, even if you're out around the outskirts, to hang out with people, even if you don't get involved in the main events, the goings on. And over here to the left here, let's turn towards over here's where like all the school bus conversions, they seem to group together. But yeah, this can get pretty lively in the evenings over here at camp. You have to use your imagination. So I think I'm going to buzz through our camp up here. Do a low flyover. And there's the bounder over to the right. There we are. Now we're gonna go way up in elevation here and fly over towards Dome Rock. I don't think I have enough elevation to actually fly over it. I'm almost at 400 feet. I think we can go a little bit higher. I think that's about all it has. Right there's about, yep. It stops about 396 feet. And I don't think we're not going to clear it. I'm going to fly right into the side of the mountain. Oh no. Yeah, all kind of trails. Hiking, dirt bike riding, quads, you name it. And it just goes all back through the mountains. Quite a recreation area. Yeah, we better turn. Yeah, there's plenty of mines. There's mines all through here. Good place to go hiking or whatever, and go prospecting. Gotta watch out for claims though. So we'll get this thing back to camp. Yep, lots of trails. Lots and lots of trails. So, which reminds me, I want to show you something too here. We'll get back to camp. I want to show you something was messing around the other night. I did record a little bit the other night, was messing around. Coming in hot. Whoa. Okay. Hang on. Somebody had to start this. Okay. It's begun. So, I don't know, we were just sitting around bored this evening. I got my tree out and some lights, and we just started putting it together. There's snow on the ground. Hey, what kind of Christmas music is this?
You've never heard this song? These don't work well.
Very good, boys. No, that's enough. Let's not overdo it. Now, wait. Now, wait.
Yeah! Merry Christmas!
Don't like them! We're trying to put these blue lights in these bushes, but they're
Well,
just
I think
not enough.
we need a smaller bush.
Yeah, we need a smaller bush or a heck of a lot more lights.
Wait, do you have a small? You have a small bush here. You can edit it whenever
Do it, do it, do it. Round and round. Wow. Pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna just leave those on for the evening. Where do you get your special lights at? Actually, I don't know if you can see, but Elijah's just making them go round and round. Her arms are gonna get tired.
You're taking your camera.
Yeah. Okay, that's all you got? Okay, I just wanted to show a little bit of what I've been up to here all these days off. We're gonna try to get back to regular schedule here through the holidays and beyond. I guess that's all I got. Except for Bella. Bella, I got Bella. Come here, come on, this way. Come here.
Come on, Bella. Come on. There she is.
She just likes out snooping around. Okay, as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll be back soon this time. I promise. Take care out there.